Hi guys, welcome to a tutorial. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how I make thumbnails, which should be fun. So I have this video that I made before, we don't talk about this one, before this, guys, and it was basically, I changed the file of boyfriend's, character to become a CHR file, and apparently it's compatible with the Doki files, and it won't break the game. Because if this was breaking the game, it would be Sayori hanging on a black plane, but it works. So I want to show you guys how to make the thumbnail. So I think I made a joke that it was a theory that Sayori was boyfriend. So here's how you do it. Here's how I do it. I have the image of Sayori being nervous. I'm going to insert that in. I'm going to transform it, make sure it fits the canvas size, but make sure it's not weird. So you can use the arrow keys if you want. That's what I use a lot. And we're going to get, I have a big folder of boyfriend. Wait 1 second. Desktop, where is it? I think it's in Don't Ask. No, it's not in this one. It's probably in Don't Know What to Do With. Yeah, BF. This is the Zero boyfriend. I'm gonna get the boyfriend Hey Sprite. Where we're gonna find that. Okay, boyfriend Hey Sprite. I like using Zero's boyfriend because he's more expressive, and if it like makes thumbnails like better in my opinion. I'm gonna let's get BF15. No, let's do 16. Insert as, and we're gonna put boyfriend. We're gonna flip his image. You want to make sure it doesn't look weird though, so flip him. Make sure it looks like boyfriend still. We're gonna make him bigger than Sayori. Like, drive the attention. Okay, he's a little too big. Boom, we got boyfriend right by Sayori. Now we can stop. Now this is really up to your preference. I'm gonna use the F&F font for this. Oh my god. Sayori is actually BF, and we're gonna switch it to the F&F font. Sometimes I use Comic Sans when I'm a little funny. Sayori's color is like this pink, this really light pink. Yeah, that looks about right. There we go. We have the thing done. Now, if you want to find a background for this, you can, or you can just make your own background. I'm not going to do that for this video, so instead I'm just going to take half of the stage from Vanilla Base Game Funkin'. So I'm going to go to a folder that has it. I'm pretty sure this has a psych engine, and we're just going to take images, I think it's images, and then it might be shared. It's probably shared. We're gonna go to shared images, and we're gonna take the stage. Make sure this is on the back layer. We don't want this in the front. Actually, that looks fine. We're gonna just do a simple mechanism where we take this. We're gonna just make sure make it look natural and stuff. We Control X. Make sure we got anything rid of. Looks pretty good. And then we're gonna go. I'm gonna look up this. I don't have any. We're gonna just look up DDLC classroom background. And hopefully we find a really high quality image. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's settled. Hopefully, please don't be a whim. I think we can get away with doing this. Whoops, I did not mean to open that. That's gonna be weird. Okay, yeah, don't mind that. We can, I'm pretty sure, okay, this is not what I expected. Please go away. I do not need you right now. Perfect. It took the other spray. I think I think I said new document. Whoops. I did not. Oh no, it's just above the other layer. Whoops, my bad. We can just move. Control. Well, it's locked. Why is it locked? It's mass? Why is it mass? Wait, we're just gonna do that again. It might be because of this folder. It might be because of the file. Yep, there we go. And then we're gonna just size that up to fit the canvas. There we go. I might change this. Cause this might be it. What we need Sayor's exact hair color. How about that? There we go. It's more readable. There you go. That's how I make thumbnails. Maybe if we put boyfriend more, or maybe we can just. Yeah, no, boyfriend is way too far. Let's just move boyfriend a little bit back. He's a little too far in the front. We don't want to cut off that though. Let's keep that in. There we go, boyfriend. Oh my god, Sayori's actually boyfriend. So that's how you make that's how I make thumbnails. It's really easy if you get the hang of it, and I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. It's yeah. Bye. Please subscribe.